or semi-autonomy, and the theme really is how is the difficulties of becoming a government when once the people who are in government were guerrillas. So that's the kind of the theme, I suppose. But first, I'd like to ask how you're travelling. Are you confident about winning the election? Do you have a strong view that you will be re-elected governor?
Your job.
My job, okay. Gimana Pak kesempatannya? Akan menang lagi?
Pertama saya mau klarifikasi bahwa dalam pemerintahan kecuali kepala pemerintahan macam gubernur bupati itu yang dari kebanyakan dari beliauan, orang-orang di pemerintahan tidak itu birokrat semua, bukan beliauan. Tetapi dalam parlemen Aceh itu banyak dari beliauan yang tentu saja masih belajar politik. Dan jangan kita memiliki chance terbesar di antara kandidat. Ya makanya kandidat lain merasa tidak secure kalau saya ikut pilkada. Makanya banyak gangguan intimidasi, teror, bahkan rencana pembunuhan terhadap saya dilakukan oleh kandidat yang lain.
First, I want to clarify that not all were guerrillas in the administration.
Not all administrator is guerrilla. Only the head of administrator, like a bupati, mostly guerrilla. But in the parliament, Aceh representative, most of the members are guerrilla. They are learning politics. You know, when people still learning,
Yes.
they are experimenting. You know, when people do experiments,
Yes.
sometime wrong, sometime right.
Yep.
And he said he believed that he has the biggest chance among other candidates to win, and that's why others will feel insecure when he
Nominate myself.
nominated himself. So there were so many terrors and intimidations, even
Plan to assassinate me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about
I
that?
can tell. About assassination attempts on me was prepared by Partai Aceh militant.
In May?
in May, in the month of May, or
May last year.
Since the Pilkada election issue emerged
something like last year, early
last year, mid last year, where one of my best friend got shot and killed. And then in their attempt to influence Jakarta by demonstration, by sending letters to Jakarta to the president, and while that time Jakarta not moved according to their demand, they assassinate Japanese worker as symbol to draw attention from Jakarta. So then Jakarta behaved, and they did behave by allowing them to participate. While they had 3 chances before, but they reject to nominate themselves.
Yes.
And also they were successful in delaying election because of the use of the tactic.
So the tactic being that you would no longer be the governor when the election came around.
What's that?
That when the election arrived, that you would not be the governor.
I'm no longer incumbent.
Yeah.
But it takes toll so dearly. And in their list, I'm on the top of the rank as target. But they still couldn't get me. And
Did they try?
They
Did they
tried.
make an attempt?
Yeah, they planted a bomb on the road. They perceive I would be passing. Well, somehow intelligent and me accept their communication.
Yeah.
So we can arrest before it happened. Bomb has been planted.
Right.
Yeah. So now most of the fraud been revealed, but I'm very sorry that the police, Aceh police,
Yep.
did not or has failed to reveal that to the public.
That plot
Huh?
to reveal the bomb.
The bomb that revealed the mother attempt
Yep.
and to say to the public, this is the culprit, this is the perpetrator. So instead, the police keep it drifting.
Yep.
So people, actually people know already, but since there is no official
Yep.
report by police, then we couldn't say anything.
Yep.
People are worried that thing can be happening to them, and
Yeah.
the police have played the same tactic.
Yep.
I thank central government police from the anti-terror squad
Yep.
who took action and reveal and arrest this fraud.
Yep. Why can you talk about this now, the bomb plot?
Why I can talk now?
Why can you talk?
After the policeman arrest,
Okay.
so I have a valid data.
Yep.
Even before the police, the dancers made any arrest, we
Yep.
know already.
Yep.
Because outside and their side is from the same gallery,
Right.
yeah,
Yep.
the same origin.
Yes.
So no secret that they can hide from us,
Yep.
and from our side too, no secret that impossible for them to know.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Do you fear that if you win on Monday or in the second round, if it goes to a second round, do you fear that there will be more violence?
No, really. Maybe there are some broken heart people, yes.
Yep.
But to say a full scale riot is not possible,
Why?
because if police are not fully ready, doesn't have a political will, that's only the chief of police of Aceh.
Yep.
Maybe that lack of political will.
Yep.
But the police in the field and the military
Yep.
is ready to secure Aceh.
Yep. Okay. The there's been some commentary that I've read about corruption in Aceh, particularly former GAM commanders and so on enriching themselves at the cost of the state. Do you know of any of that, construction contracts and so on?
Yes.
And if so, as governor, what can you do?
Yeah.
about that?
That perceived corruption. I may say in two different ways, maybe not different way, different subjects. Perceived corruption in government rank
Yep.
and perceived corruption in those combatants.
Yep.
Perceived corruption in government rank lately nowadays become higher. The perception.
Yep.
This is political perception, more or less raised up by Partai Aceh activists in Jakarta, staging demonstration. To be more specific, they demonstrate against me in front of KPK office. That's political demonstration.
Yep.
Yeah. Have been 5 times already, and KPK already moved to examine all accusation.
Yeah.
And found that the governor has nothing to do with any corruption.
Yeah.
The KPK has issued the statement.
Yeah.
But they still, for them, it is not KPK move that is more important. The image of me in the eye of the people over there. That's what they want to destroy my image. And then anything they could do to destroy me, they will. And then they perceive corruption among the ex-combatant. The ex-combatant was indeed dealing with the project, government project.
Yeah.
Usually, as a third or immediately,
Yeah, like a consultant.
or to how you call it, lobbying the government official.
Yep.
Because they are incompetent, because they have influence.
Yep.
For the sake of enterprise, they work for.
Yes.
And based on that, they may get some fee, winning fee,
Yep.
success fee from the company.
Yep.
And then the perceived corruption, to corrupt. There is corruption in the sense of without the lobby
Yes.
with the government, maybe somebody else will win.
Yep.
And that time, because Aceh is still in a transition time, I tend to close one of my eye towards them. Okay, they do it as long as legal,
Yep.
as long as you don't force others, you don't threat others. Okay, go ahead.
Yep.
With expectation, the fund they gather from the service
Yep.
could make life of the combatant in the field.
Yep.
So I expect they did not enjoy alone themselves.
Yep.
To share it with other combatants, with the other unfortunate combatants.
Yep.
That what happened? Now this is corruption. What happened? The money they got, usually a big chunk, biggest chunk for themselves, and
Yep.
tiny chunk for the rest.
Yep.
That's what I don't like. So every day and every night, many ex-combatants here at my home and in my office.
Right. Complaining.
No complaining, asking assistant.
Yep.
And very funny that Muzaki Manaf declared his wealth is only 66 million rupiah. Do you know?
No, I didn't hear that.
So any candidate should declare their wealth
Yep.
through KPK. So Muzaki Manaf declared 66 million rupiah, which is 7,000 US.
Yes.
Well, everyone knows he has at least 4 wives. And
No wonder he's poor.
yeah.
No wonder he's poor.
Yeah.
No wonder he's
No,
66.
four. Let's look at what he had. 4 wives, and every wife gifted with one luxury car. How much that?
Yep.
And he himself, right, good car. No car costs 66 million or less.
No. No.
So, how he lied? I hope KPK would investigate this.
If you do win, which you say you hope you will, the parliament that you will have to govern with is Partai Aceh.
Partai Aceh has a
unsympathetic to you.
some of Partai Aceh, maybe in underground, but 50% of Partai Aceh was sympathetic to me.
Yep.
50% are not. But in the open, those who are pro me
Yep.
are silent because of apa namanya, ancaman pecat,
Threats?
threat to fight.
Yep.
If I win, maybe people perceive that I will have hard time in the parliament.
Yeah.
Because the majority in the parliament is from Partai Aceh.
Yep.
But that's not true. Yes, at first it may be hard. What people are afraid of, I have a hard time in passing the budget.
Yep.
No, not hard at all. Because if they do not agree with us, with the executive has the right to veto.
Okay.
So if they didn't agree, so we could go on with our plan with veto, issuing what we call peraturan gubernur, governor regulation.
Yep. I'm interested very much in Sharia law here and the way it's implemented. You are not passionate about Sharia law. Would that be true to say?
Better not do me on that because then we raise up that issue again.
That's the recipe.
No, that issue is sleeping already. The Sharia issue is sleeping.
Yep.
So we don't touch it. So they are not going to wake up.
It's sleeping perhaps in Banda Aceh, but not so much in the regions.
In the rest of they are also sleeping.
And that's, well, you've given it a small budget, yes?
Yeah, budget, yeah, political issue, and then the ulama do not see it can be implemented if the law pass.
With the law about the stoning law, do you mean?
No, but stoning going to be implemented. You know, if we implement that, not implement, if the law is gonna pass, and then just like a shame for China law. The law is there, but will not be implemented.
Right.
Why?
Because you won't implement it.
No, because I want. I'm committed to implementing the law.
Yep.
Because the law have a very strict condition.
Yep.
Say for adultery, must the people who report it must bring 4 witnesses.
Yep.
The witness who saw it themselves, not
Right.
through video.
Yeah, okay.
How could people
Yeah.
saw it?
Yeah.
How could people making love in front of others?
Yep. Yep.
So after you lodge the report to the Sharia police, and you are not able to prove it,
Yep.
you yourself will be punished.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is when there is no case being able to be brought to the court, then what's the law for?
So that's the basis on which you haven't signed it. You've
And
refused to sign it
that's
because
the
it's-
positive side.
Yep.
The negative side, international outcry on that
Yes.
issue.
Yep.
You know what? At that time, well, the bill of Kanun still in the air
Yep.
and not touched by executive yet.
Yep.
In Europe, in France, in America, in Australia.
Yeah.
There much talk about that.
Yeah.
And negative reporting in a local newspaper.
Yeah.
There, including the picture of stoning in Afghanistan incorporated in news of a possible Sharia implementation in Aceh. As if in Aceh, what happened in Aceh is stoning already.
Yeah.
I see.
So, but there are other elements to Sharia law as well as stoning, aren't there? There's the close proximity law.
Close proximity, yeah,
There's
yes, there.
yeah, gambling.
Gambling, I agree on that.
You agree on gambling?
I agree on that because people who are still very poor, they tend to rely they future and luck on gambling.
Yes.
Making the poor much poorer.
Yep.
And who got benefit? The tycoon from Medan and Jakarta.
Yep.
And Malaysia. That's the disease of the people.
Yep.
Social disease.
Yep. And close proximity drinking.
Close drinking is this canon is very effective in halting young people from drinking.
It is or it isn't?
Yeah,
It is.
effective.
Yep.
And those who want to drink go to hotel. Yes, actually the possession of alcoholic beverage is also against the law,
Yep.
but they don't go to that extent.
Yep.
If they go to that extent, then they couldn't find any wine in the Hermes hotel.
And close proximity?
Close proximity, yeah. Well, recently, no harsh action taken against
Yeah.
yeah, usually,
Yeah.
and sometimes involving a married person,
Yes.
who is having some fling, but I don't know. If they have some fling, I don't go outside.
Okay.
Don't be caught by the child alcoholics. Second, don't be get caught by husband or wife.
Yeah. So,
but that canon already there, already here in Aceh before came.
yeah.
One established, you by no means
Sorry.
good drinking. One established, once established,
Yeah.
once the canon is established,
Nobody can
Yeah.
lift it.
So you wouldn't try.
I don't want to.
Don't
Like
want to take.
I kill
Don't want to take.
myself.
Yeah. Right.
Killing myself politically.
Yeah. Okay.
And the canon will be hard, even more hard after that.
Yeah. Okay. So you believe that the canon is not popular, but it's too difficult to move.
Which canon?
The three we've talked about.
Yeah.
The drinking, gambling, and
They're very popular, become popular because you rarely heard violation against the canon. Though it is become less popular.
yeah.
Those canon is very successful in halting illegal gambling and drinking among the people.
Yeah.
You do. Well, I think that canon, if no alcoholic canon in Aceh during the war, what would be happening during the war?
Yeah.
If people drinking and fighting.
Right. A problem. Okay. I have to also ask you about the court case yesterday regarding the peat forests and the palm oil plantation. you have confused the environmental community with that decision because you've been seen in the past to be pro-environment.
First,
This decision seems
yeah,
to be
I got your answer. First, I have installed what we call moratorium on logging, whatever logging.
Yeah.
And then, for too long, I've been alone. I've been alone, only fighting alone.
Yeah. In Indonesia.
International community who every day is saying they want the clean air and want to protect forest, just did not contribute. They want to inhale our clean air without paying anything.
Yeah.
The thing, our forest is a free toilet for their carbon.
For the
Toilet for the carbon.
yeah.
And the application of that company, I don't like that company, the plantation company, Kalista Alam.
Yeah.
I hate that. And that's why I put on hold for more than 1 year of the application.
Yeah.
Until came the letter from the police that governor should act. They have fulfilled all the conditions.
Yeah.
Then after sending my team to the field
Yeah.
to ground truthing,
Yeah.
they found that area surrounding that 1,600 hectares are already deforested.
Yeah.
Yes, they're peatland, but all surrounding area become a plantation, small plantation,
Yeah.
and no single orangutan there. Even though in a international press, they say the last orangutan may be killed. There are no single orangutan in that area.
In that
because
1,600
in the
hectares.
1,600 hectares, because desolate already by plantation, people plantation around.
Yeah.
So after halting for more than 1 year the application, and after I received a letter from the police that the application should be continued, should be processed. So I processed, which I feel very sorry on that.
You feel you did the wrong thing?
Not wrong legally, but wrong morally.
Yeah.
If I don't continue pursuing that, they could file a charge
Yeah.
to bireuen.
Yeah.
And then, what happened? International outcry, throwing all stone on me, as if I take big sin. Then I asked, what your contribution after I wait for too long?
What's your
After I declare moratorium on logging, you know how many job loss? So many job loss. I want some fund to create livelihood to those who has lost their job.
Yeah.
And then nothing comes.
Because the red money was not
Red or not red, red or blue, I don't care. But where is international attention on that?
Yeah.
We still have a good piece of forest here in Aceh.
Yeah.
Of course, like I said, for so long, our forests have been treated like a free toilet.
Yeah.
Now, please pay some service lah.
Yeah.
But no one come to do that.
Okay.
So that concession, 1,600 hectare concession, is like a pinch to
Yeah.
the international community.
That's
Don't.
you saying, watch out. This is you're saying to them, hello,
Hello.
pay some attention here.
Yeah.
There.
So, and then maybe I will pose a threat to them. I will revoke the moratorium on logging if you don't move.
Yep.
Would you-
Are you making that threat?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Make no.
Make a note.
No,
yeah.
no.
Seriously,
no,
though.
no.
You're not serious that you'll
Just a
lift the
threat.
moratorium, but you're
Just a
saying
threat.
just a threat.
To they make them look project
To make them
and to do somewhat make them ashamed of it.
It looks to me as if the red scheme
They don't
is
work.
so slow.
Still very long.
Yeah.
Still very long.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So it's not canon. Zero canon.
Zero. Mamena.
So, do you believe that, turning back to the election, what would life be like if,
What?
what would it be like if Pate Aceh won on Monday? Or if
After
say,
winning or after defeat?
After winning. Well, okay, two questions. Firstly, after winning. Secondly,
Who winning?
if Aceh Pate
After they win, if they win this election, they will become more and more arrogant. And become more uncomfortable.
do you think they still desire independence for Aceh?
There is still, but I don't know for sure. At least in their campaign, they keep raising the issue of independence.
Yeah.
They are maybe to draw sympathy or to draw attention. They are still committed to original goal.
Yeah.
Oh, MIS. While at the same time, they don't have any capability to do so.
Yeah.
You know how contrary it is. While saying we want to fight, to continue fighting for independence, while the ex-Tina general are with them. You know Sunako cross human rights violated in East Timor and in Aceh during Dom.
Yeah.
And General Yusuf.
Yeah. These people are now with them. But is it true that 70% of the ex-combatants are now with you?
Yeah. And you know, after my campaign in East Aceh, North Aceh, MPD, become more and more of Aceh, Pata Aceh followers joining us. After they heard the truth that are being passed by me and my friends
Yeah.
to contemplate the lie from the Pata Aceh campaign. You know what they campaign for? They campaign for anybody that they want for. And then they campaign for they will pay every person, every Achenese 500,000 a month. If you calculate it with simple calculator, it end up 28 trillion per year. The cost will be 28 trillion per year.
Right.
While the money that Aceh may have for 1 year, only 9 trillion.
Yeah. So, I guess that gets back to my original question of ex-guerrillas running a government. This is not a very sophisticated